اور آپ کے ٹی وی کے بڑے بڑے اینکر کہتے ہیں کہ اوہ اب بلڈوزروں کی کمی پڑے گی, کیا ہمیں امپورٹ کرنے پڑیں گے بلڈوزر, یا میڈ ان انڈیا بلڈوزر ہوں گے. ہاؤ ڈو یو تھنک وی فیل جب آپ کے ٹی وی چینل کے بڑے بڑے اینکر ان بلڈوزروں پہ چڑھتے ہیں اور پھر بلڈوزر کے ڈرائیور کو کہتے ہیں نا آپ نے تو صرف اس کا چھت اڑایا, اس کی دیواریں کیوں کھڑی ہیں, دیواریں بھی اڑا دو. What do you think people will feel? So I mean please understand, there are sentiments attached to this. People who we expect, we understand politicians will do things for political motives, but people who we expect will be impartial. When they take a partial position like this, how do you expect us to feel any differently?
So at the moment there's a debate going on language. Some people saying that Hindi should be national language. So how do you take this controversy? It's a fresh controversy at the moment.
India is too diverse a country to have one national language. I think the idea of India is that it gives space to everybody. When you pick up a currency note, an Indian currency note, how many languages do you find on it? The Indian currency note gives space to all the languages. If the Indian currency note can give space to all languages, then obviously it is understood that we are more than just one language. We are more than just one culture. That's the point. We are more than just one religion. And I think it's important to recognize and respect that. We must give space to everybody. If in Jammu and Kashmir we do not impose language, why should anybody impose language? Let people choose. Why should there be a national language? I don't think a place like India needs a national language. We don't need a national religion. We need to give space to everybody.
Umar sahab, do you see that thing happening in Kashmir?
लेकिन अब ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, लेकिन अब इसमें थोड़ा सा और हो गया है. It has been mainstreamed like perhaps